Test tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana until 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is a test message in support of Indiana Severe Weather Preparedness Week. There is no tornado or severe weather at this time. This is only a test. Hazard. This is a test. Hazard details would be provided here. Source. This is a test. The source of the tornado report would be provided here. Impact. This is a test. Expected impacts would follow. This is a test message. Locations impacted include northern Indiana. This is a test message. Do not take protective action based on this message. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford,
I know.
Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange,